Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a mini vlog using CapCut mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application and here I have just created a project. So I'm going to open up the project I have just created. I have imported some videos here. If you want to create a vlog, you can import your footages here. You can click on this plus icon to add new video, and I'm going to create a mini vlog using all these videos or these clips. Okay, the first one, I'm going to add tags as the intro. So I'm going to go to the text and select add text, and for example, I'm going to add my summer vacation. Okay, and I'm going to change the font. I'm going to make it more captivating. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose, wait guys, let's try this one. Okay, or this one. I think I prefer this one guys, and I'm going to make it bigger like this, and I'm gonna add animation. I'm going to add this type writer animation. Okay, I'm just going to add an animation. All right, and then I'm going to add music to this vlog to make it more captivating. I'm gonna go to the audio, select sounds, and I'm going to add background music from CapCut. I'm going to go to the vlog category and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and I'm going to add beat mark to the music to match cut. I'm going to go to the beat, select auto generate, and I'm going to make it light. Okay, like this. Click on the check mark and I'm going to adjust the transition with the beat mark. Okay, you can do it one by one like this. Okay, I'm going to cut this video. Alright, and this is the last one. You can also split it and delete the unwanted part. Okay, like this guys. Okay, this is the last one guys, sorry. Alright, and then I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, I think it looks beautiful. Okay, and once you're ready to export it, you can click on the export button and the vlog will be saved to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create mini vlog using CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.